In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide hidden contact shortcut on Facebook Messenger. If a chat or contact shortcut seems to have disappeared, there's a good chance that person was restricted. Restricting someone keeps your conversation tucked away and limits interactions, so to bring that shortcut back to your main chats, you'll simply unrestrict them. I'll walk you through it clearly and show you what to expect along the way. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or go to Messenger in your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the account where the conversation lives. Once Messenger is open, you're ready to move straight into your settings. Next, head to your profile. Look to the bottom left corner and select your profile icon. It's the small circular image that represents your account. This opens your account area, which is where Messenger keeps privacy and visibility controls for your conversations, including the list of people you've restricted. From here, find and tap restricted accounts. This section shows everyone you've placed under restrictions. When someone is on this list, their chat is hidden from your main inbox, their shortcut won't show up, and notifications from them are limited. It's a privacy-friendly way to keep some distance without fully blocking or deleting a thread. Now select the person you want to unhide. If the list is long, take a second to scan carefully so you pick the correct conversation. Opening their entry will display options specific to that contact, along with a quick summary of what restriction is doing for that chat. Finally, choose unrestrict. The moment you confirm, Messenger moves the conversation back into your primary chats list, and the contact's shortcut becomes visible again. You'll start seeing future messages from them like normal, and notifications will behave the way they do for your other chats based on your current notification settings. If you previously muted the conversation, you can adjust that separately after unrestricting. A quick recap: open Messenger, go to your profile, at the bottom left, enter restricted accounts, pick the person and tap unrestrict. If you don't see the person in restricted accounts, it usually means they weren't restricted. They might be blocked or the chat might have been archived instead. Those are different features, so this specific process won't change them. That's all you need to unhide a contact shortcut in Messenger. Take a moment afterward to glance at your chats list and confirm the thread is back where you expect it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your conversations organized just the way you want.